Hello guys, ito na ating meal prep for today. Come on. So for breakfast, we have spam aburi. Hala, grabe no, diba? Ang heavy. Tapos for lunch, meron tayong Taiwanese hot pots. Ito yung mga parts. Ito yung pinaka-broth. And then, for dinner, meron tayong Pink's hot dog with chili. Hello! Tapos for snacks, meron tayong parang lychee something. Grass Jerry Lychee Bowl. Ganon. Parang, favorite ko talaga ang lychee. Tapos of course, dalandan. Come on! So, panginitay natin. Come on, lamon! So guys, ito na ating spam aburi. Grabe, may egg pala sa loob, oh. As in, breakfast aburi siya, mga sis. Ang laki niya, oh, come on. So, that's 2 pieces. Oy! So, ang gagawin natin is, lagyan natin ng sauce. Ayan. Kasama yan dyan eh. Tapos, lagyan natin ng furikake. I-mix-mix muna natin to, come on. I-top natin. Pag sinabi furikake, it's Japanese seasoning, sis. Oh. Lakas makusosyal. Anong first time kumakain ng aburi, eh? So, ito na po itsura niya. Nakikita ba? Ayan. Yes! Ayan, tikman na natin, sis. Breakfast na tayo. First time ko lang talaga makakain ng aburi. At ang social pala nun. Grabe, Japanese rice talaga siya. Ang social ang breakfast natin. Yun nga lang, masyado matamis yung sauce for me. Sanay lang ako na ketchup. But it's not bad, guys. Cheers! Nakabusog to. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, see you later lunch. Bye! Alright, guys, we're having lunch right now. And we're having this hot pot. Taiwanese hot pot. Oh, mga seafood to ah. Try natin, sis. So, nandito na lahat ng ingredients niya. Just like how I did it with my ramen before. So, I'll just kinda add the noodles in first. So, wait now. Yes, come on. Ay! Ay! Yung sauce, bakla. Ilagay natin to. Kung ano man to, sis, ilagay natin to. I'm sorry for not uploading for how many days. It's just that super napagod ako. But hey, we're back. Ayan, medyo nag-unload ako ng work. So, makakapag-focus din ako sa pag-ilagay ng videos dito. And salamat po sa lahat mga nagsusubscribe sa akin. Ayan. Then let's get everything inside. Ayan, come on. Ang cute niya, sis. Hala, lakas makabakla. Char! Char! Ayan. Basta te, ilalagyan, gaganyanin ko na lang pagagandahan na. So, this is how it looks like. Naku, pag pinilt ko, ayan, ayan. Basta yun na yun. Tikman na natin muna ang sabaw, mga sis. May pag-aanghang, ang sarap. Yum! So, my week right now, super kumaingay. Sorry kumaingay. My week right now is more planned. So, as in like, may organizer na ako. Kaya maraming salamat. Kaya I'm very excited to be super productive this time. I swear, ang sarap nun. Ito yung noodles. Come on! Wala, perfect sa weather, umuulan, sis. Anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Snack time. Bye! Hey guys, it's snack time. This is grass jelly with lychee. Masarap tong chilled sana, pero hindi ko na chill. But this is how it looks like. Parang ano, tawag dito sa mga Chinese restaurants, sis. Bongga. I just forgot kung anong tawag doon. Pero, sarap siya kung chilled. Salanan ko. Hindi siya ganun katamis, masarap. May sagot black mulaman. At unsweetened arnibal, I don't know what they call this. I've been working a lot. And after this, may webinar pa akong gagawin. So I'll just make this quick. And I'll see you later, dinner time after my webinar. Alright mga best, it's dinner time. It's Pink's hot dog. This hot dog. It's Pink's copycat chili cheese dog. So, ito yan with the chili. So, of course, ilalagay natin sa ibabaw. Because, ganun talaga ito eh. Oo. I'm gonna put it up there. So grabe, no? Si Pink's is a restaurant here in the Philippines. And yung sister company niya na restaurant is Wildflower. I used to consult that for training before. Wala lang, nostalgic. Tama ba yung term nostalgic po? Wala. Gamit ako ng term, hindi mo sure. Anyways, there, tikman na natin. Yes! It's like half hot dog. So, yan siya guys. O diba? Half hot dog. Let's try this thing. Woo! Nalalaglag yung beans pero okay lang ako ng beans. This is called the half dog. Half dog? Yum! Solid! Ngayon lang ulit ako nag-hotdog, guys. Namiss ko agad yung namiss ko bigla yung Jolly hotdog, te. Alright, that's it for me for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!